Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to add related products in WooCommerce. We will be doing this with Divi's WooCommerce modules, which make it easy to display related products in a nice grid. If you want to follow along and try Divi at a great price, check the link in the description. Start by going to your WooCommerce product page in WordPress. Open the product you want to edit and then click on Enable Divi Visual Builder at the top. This will launch the builder directly on the product page. Once the builder is open, scroll down to where you want the related products to appear. Usually this goes under the main product details, but you can place it anywhere you like. Add a new section and then insert a row. Next, click the plus icon and search for the Woo Related Products module. Add it to your row. By default, this will display related products that share categories or tags with the main product. In the module settings, you can customize how many related products to show, how many columns to display, and which elements to include, such as product images, titles, prices, ratings, or the Add to Cart button. Move over to the Design tab to style the section. You can change the spacing between products, adjust the fonts, customize the button design, and even add hover effects to make it look more dynamic. You can also give the section a background color or divider line to separate it from the rest of the product page. Once you are happy with how it looks, click the green checkmark to save your changes. Then save the page and exit the builder. Refresh the page and you will now see the related products displayed on your product page. This is a simple way to keep customers browsing and increase sales with Divi's WooCommerce Related Products module. If you want to try Divi at a great price, remember to use the link in the description.